To most of us, bamboo is just a tree growing quietly in the backyard. But right now, in the global marketplace, bamboo is rising fast as the most powerful alternative to plastic the world has ever seen. From elegant spoons and toothbrushes to forks and chopsticks, today we're uncovering how bamboo craftsmanship is reshaping the entire world economy. Because bamboo is no longer just a cottage industry. We're talking about a $60 billion global market, and it's only getting bigger. Consumer goods, construction, furniture, paper, even textiles. Demand is accelerating across every single sector. And in countries across Asia, especially China, bamboo isn't just strengthening rural economies. It's becoming the centerpiece of the circular economy, the engine of sustainable, renewable industry. While plastic waste continues to poison our rivers and devastate our environment, bamboo has quietly stepped forward as a remarkable solution, thanks to one extraordinary ability. It grows impossibly fast. Under the right conditions, certain species of bamboo can shoot up 3 feet in a single day. Once harvested, there's no need to replant because bamboo regenerates directly from its own roots. In one word, it is nature's own living, never-ending factory. They call it the green gold of sustainable agriculture. But on steep mountain slopes and rocky terrain, harvesting bamboo remains one of the most grueling jobs on Earth. Modern machinery simply can't reach these places. So farmers, generation after generation, still use the same ancient technique, a razor-sharp curved blade, cutting each stalk by hand, carrying it on their own backs. But on flat land, technology has completely transformed the picture. Specialized harvesting machines, a cross between a combine harvester and a hydraulic crane, can tear through a dense bamboo grove in seconds. A single machine processes over 150 stalks per hour, dozens of times faster than any human crew. Once freshly cut bamboo arrives at the sorting center, the first stage of quality control begins. Skilled workers inspect every single stalk with surgical precision, catching tiny cracks, hidden fungal growth, and pest damage. The kind of flaws that even machines can miss. For international markets, especially kitchen products, this sorting process is absolutely critical. Once sorted bamboo enters the factory floor, the real technological magic begins. Specialized cutting machines for disposable chopsticks work like industrial scalpels, slicing with millimeter-perfect precision. Bamboo stalks roll along conveyor belts and are cut into perfectly uniform pieces. Some advanced machines even carry built-in sensors, detecting the bamboo's hard nodes and automatically adjusting the cutting speed to preserve product quality. After cutting, the pieces are fed into high-speed drum sanders for a flawless surface finish. Then they enter industrial kilns, where controlled heat and hot air circulate through each piece, extending the product's lifespan and preventing the growth of fungus and bacteria. Finally, robotic arms pair the chopsticks with flawless precision and wrap them in biodegradable paper, ready to ship across the world. For spoons, forks, and toothbrushes, even greater precision is required. That's where CNC machining takes over, digitally programmed to cut each piece to the exact curvature and thickness the design demands. Once the basic shape is formed, soft rubber-backed sandpaper smooths every edge, leaving surfaces perfectly clean and crack-free. For toothbrush heads, micro-CNC tools drill hundreds of tiny holes with extraordinary precision. Then, high-speed fabric wheels give each piece a silk-smooth polish you can actually feel.
Robotic arms then sort, weigh, barcode scan, and package each product, a testament to just how professional sustainable manufacturing has become. Paper production follows a completely different path. Here, it's not about shaping bamboo, it's about liberating its fibers. Sorted stalks go into a primary crusher, working like teeth, grinding the cane down to raw cellulose fiber. Inside a heated tank, organic enzymes break down the hard lignin, dissolving it into a soft, pliable pulp. That wet pulp then flows onto a moving mesh belt where vacuum pumps pull out the excess water, forming continuous sheets of bamboo paper right before your eyes. Finally, the sheets pass over rotating heated drums and emerge as completely biodegradable bamboo paper. From single-use everyday items to durable construction and furniture materials, bamboo has proved to the world that something seemingly simple can meet every demand of modern industry. At every step of production, cutting, sanding, pressing, drying, packaging, bamboo isn't just replacing wood and plastic. It is opening an entirely new chapter in how humanity uses renewable resources. So, what do you think? Could bamboo be the right path forward for our environment and for our industries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and stay with us for more content just like this.